Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking Instagram post for a cafe. If you want to create a post for your cafe or restaurant, you can do it yourself. First, go to Canva and create an account. After that, search for Cafe Instagram Post. Type it in the search bar and just hit Enter. After that, Canva templates will become available. Go to See All to explore all the options. You don't have to worry about the dimensions because Canva provides pre-made templates that you can modify to create your own design. As you can see, there are many templates to explore. Maybe I'll go with this one, and this one is free. So I'll just click on it, and you'll get more suggestions and options. Maybe I'll go with this one. I will go with this template. You can explore all the templates and choose the one that meets your expectations, then customize it. As you can see, I have full access to modify whatever I want, like this. If I want to change or customize the text, I will just click on it and double-click on it to add my own text. Like this, I can just add my own text. For more customization features, just click on it. Here you have options for changing the font, resizing your text, changing colors, and making it bold, italic, underlined, or strike-through. You can try out these features. That was for the text, and you can do the same with the other text elements. After that, if you want to change or remove the background, I'll just click on it and change the color of the background. Right now, I'm just choosing this one because it looks good. If you want to replace the template's image with your own, go to Uploads and upload it from your computer. So I'm going to just take one from Pinterest, for example. I'll just copy this one. It looks good. I'll just copy and paste it over here. In the same way, if you want to add images from Pinterest, you can do so. Now you can see that my image has appeared here. I'll just drag and drop it like this. As you can see, it includes the background. I'll just click on it and remove the background. If you're using the free version, you can go to any website to remove the background first and then upload your image like this. I will adjust everything, and now I'll just modify this like this. You can modify the design and add your own details, information, colors, images, and more. When you're ready to export and satisfied with your design, rename your file here. Then go to Share. Select Download and download it in any format you like. Then just hit Download, and you're ready to upload your cafe Instagram post to your social media. Thank you for watching.